If you've been using Tango's free plan for a while, you've probably hit one of these moments. You ran out of workflows, spent time typing out long step descriptions, or you wished you could make your guides look like they came from your company. If that sounds like you, it means that Tango is working for you. Now, let's talk about what's next. Pro is for teams and individuals who've seen the value of Tango and want more. With Pro, you get everything in free, plus more features to make your guides even more detailed, flexible, and polished. Voice transcription allows you to talk out loud while you capture a process, and Tango then automatically cleans up what you said and puts it in the right step descriptions for you. Screenshot annotation and blurring allow you to redact sensitive information and add callouts when you need them. You can blur after capture or during. This is a great feature if you're working with sensitive information or sharing workflows across your organization or with clients. With the Pro plan, you can export your guides as PDFs, HTMLs, or Markdowns, and you can even embed it in Confluence, Notion, SharePoint, or your LMS. For scaling teams, this is a huge benefit because it allows you more ways to share your knowledge and increase process adoption. Flexible steps lets people enter their own information instead of entering yours. For example, when you capture your Tango, you might type in somebody's name like Jane Doe. But that doesn't mean you want everyone typing in Jane Doe too. With flexible steps, your colleagues can type in any name they need while using GuideMe. Combined steps merges similar actions into a single step, turning longer workflows into cleaner and simpler guides that are up to 40% shorter. Custom branding allows you to swap out Tango's colors and fonts for your own, giving your guides an even more polished look. You also get desktop capture, unlimited workflows in your team library, 14-day version history, and viewership insights so you can see who's using your guides and where they're getting stuck. Pro makes capturing, editing, and sharing your guides faster, simpler, and even more usable for the people who follow them. It's built for teams who are creating lots of process documents and need more speed, customization, and flexibility. Upgrade to Pro by visiting app.tango.us/upgrade. I'm Mark, that's Tango.